So this is how to buy Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency in Canada using Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, at the very bottom, press on the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol under Explorer, type in Bitcoin Cash or ticker symbol BCH. Once it appears, go ahead and select it. Once Bitcoin Cash is here at the bottom, press on buy. Then on this page, you can go to the top right and select your type of market order. So you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Bitcoin Cash. I will just keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Then once you're here, you can type in the amount of Bitcoin Cash that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $3 worth as an example, you would type in 3. You can do 4, you can do 450, whatever the case may be. Once you have your amount selected, press on review. Then on this page, you can review the order, so you can see how much crypto or how much Bitcoin Cash you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Bitcoin Cash crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.